you guys
Bro,
here
bro,
start
dude,
fucking
we're in the
VR
Me Too
raping.
movement, bro. She's
Yo,
about
VR
to
beat the
Me
shit
Too
out of you.
you. She's about to Me
Oh my
Too
god,
you.
no.
Me too.
No, no.
Pound me too.
No. Oh my god.
Wait a minute.
Little kitty
His avatar hadn't loaded yet. I missed all of that.
You need to fucking Me Too.
Do it again.
Okay.
No, it's fine.
Do it again.
That voice is crazy, dude.
I like your name.
Man, that love is freaking
You
tricky.
should do voice
Literally.
acting.
To distract you. No, it's
I've been
fine.
told that before.
Take him to court.
He sounds like a pirate.
Yar!
Use it all.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense.
Pirate. That's it's a little rude. He doesn't
Oh, you
sound
read
like
that
a
fucking
pirate.
name, man.
Sucker out of your mouth when you're talking.
Oh, here we go. This is the new flex. This is
Oh
the new
shit!
drip.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, yo, look at this guy. Well, what's under that hat, huh? Oh, who's under there? You keep looking down. Alright.
No,
See how it is.
fucking Bill Cosby.
Oh, a new
The
skin?
director, the guy, like.
Oh, yo, Jack Sparrow. That's lit.
Nice, Milo. Nice.
What's under this hat? It's none of your business.
Yo, can I clone Jack Sparrow? I'm new. I'm trying to get some avatars. These
don't see
default
why
ones are kind of
not.
fucking killing me. It doesn't let me clone
Alright,
it off.
Tony Hawk.
I think you gotta change the setting. Oh, yo, Tony's ripping right now. Tony, my man. Ooh. Yo, that shit's gnarly.
Bit 360.
Grind the bar,
He just
bro.
hit that counter like it was nothing. He just fucking hit the bar like it was nothing.
Grind the yard arm. Scrub that deck. Uh-oh. He got keel
Yeah.
hauled.
Oh, yo, it's fucking Sonic.
Hey, it's Captain.
Yo, I can clone
Jack
Sonic.
Sparrow. Captain Jack Sparrow. I'm a huge fan.
Sparrow.
Thank you, love.
Oh my god, I actually really love it. Oh my god. I am like your #1 fan now.
What's up with that skin?
Oh god.
You'd be my
Holy
#1
fuck,
fan
look
if
at
you,
this goddamn
if you just happen to
tarantula.
have like
That's a
a nip
bad
of rum
idea.
behind the bar. Maybe just
Yes,
just
there's
a little
rum. Yep, there's rum
Oh,
back
yeah.
there. You can go back
I'll
there.
pour you a drink, buddy. I'll pour you a fucking
I've got
Hey, you wanna give me a
permission
hug, kitten?
to go behind the bar.
No.
That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Love. Never let a pirate behind the
No.
bar.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug,
Where
kitten.
were you at, fucking
No.
It's
Jack?
gone.
Jack, my
What?
dude.
It's
My
gone.
dude, I brought you a bottle. Brought a bottle for you, Jack.
Where are all of these bottles empty? Oh dear. Hold on.
No, this bottle's full here. Cork's still in it, trust. You gotta get the cork out, though. I couldn't do it.
Oh no. That's the puzzle, isn't it? The fact that
Yes.
I've got a
Get the
full bottle of
fucking
rum
cork out of the bottle.
and
you
the
got some
inability to remove the cork.
Make me get out the avatar.
I've seen the yen, I've seen pain. Watch my loved ones slip away. Black veins pull me deep. I'm ashamed. I shall reap. Just